Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is x plus y is equal to 4, x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 464. So in this problem we need to find the values of y, x and y. So how do we solve this problem? Let's see. Solution. So here we have given two equations. One is x plus y is equal to 4 and other one is x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 464. So let us consider this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So now, take equation 1. So x plus y is equal to 4. So now apply squares on both sides. X plus y whole square is equal to 4 square. So here this is in a form of a plus b whole square. We know this formula, a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So use this formula. Here we can write x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 4 square, which is equal to 16. So x square plus y square. So just move this term to the right side. Now it will be 16 minus 2xy. So now let us consider this equation 3. So take this equation 1. Again take this equation 1. So here we applied squares on both sides. Now here we are going to apply cubic on both sides. So x plus y cube plus 4 is equal to 4 cube. So now this is in a form of a plus b cube. So we know this formula, a plus b cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3b cube. So use this formula. Here we can write, so x cube 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube is equal. So here we have 4 cube, which is equal to 64. So x cube plus y cube. So here in these two terms we have common, that is 3xy. So we are taking out 3xy as a common. So now here we will get x plus y is equal to 64. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy. So we know this x plus y is equal to 4. So in place of x plus y, we are writing 4 is equal to 64. So x cube plus y cube is equal to 3 times 4, which is equal to 12xy is equal to 64. X cube plus y cube is equal to, so just move this term to the right side. Now it will be 64 minus 12xy. So now let us consider this is equation 4. So here we already have equation 3. So take this equation 3. X square plus y square is equal to 16 minus 2xy. So this is equation 3. So now multiply equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3. So we are going to multiply equation 3 and equation 4. So x cube plus y cube, so x square plus y square times 16 minus 2xy times 64 minus 12xy. So now multiply these two terms, so then we'll get, so x square times x cube, which is equal to x power 5 plus x cube. So x cube y square plus, so x square y cube So y square times y cube, which is equal y 5. So is equal 16 minus 2xy times 64 minus 12xy. So now, so here we have same powers. So you can see here in these two terms we have common, that is x square y square. So we are taking out x square y square as a common. Now here we will get x plus y is equal 16 minus 2xy 64 minus 12xy. So now x power 5 plus y power 5 plus x square y square x plus y is equal 16 minus 2xy. So in these two terms we can take out common, so that is 4. So we are taking out 4 as a common, so here we will get 4 times 16, which is equal 64. So 4 times 3, which is equal to 12, so 3xy. So now, so you can see here we have x power 5 plus y power 5. So here we have x plus 1. So we know that x plus y, which is equal to 4, and x power 5 plus y power 5, so which is given in the question. So 464. So in place of x power 5 plus y power 5, we are writing 464. The value of x power 5 plus y power 5 plus x square y square. So the value of x plus y, which is equal 4, is equal 16 minus 2xy times 4, 16, 3xy. So now, so in these two terms we have common, that is 4. So we are taking out 4 as a common. Now here we will get, so here we will write leftover numbers that are, so 4 times 116, which is equal 464 plus x square y square is equal, so here 16 minus 2xy times 4, 16 minus 3xy. So here we have 4 and here we have 4. These both 4's are getting cancelled. So 116 plus, so here x square times y square we can write is xy whole to the power of 2 is equal 16 minus 2xy times 16 minus 3xy. So now let us consider u equals xy. So in place of xy we will write u. Now it will be 116 plus u square is equal 16 minus 2u and 16 minus 3u. So 116 plus u square is equal to, now multiply these two terms. So 16 times 16, which is equal to 256 minus, so 16 times 3u, which is equal to 48u. So 2 times 16, which is equal to 32 minus 32u. So here we have minus minus, it will become positive. So now plus, so 2u times 3u, which is equal, so 2 times 3, 6, u times u square, so 6u square. So now just move this term to the right side. Now it will be, so 256 minus 48u minus 32u plus 6u square, so minus 116 minus u square. is equal to 0. So now here we have minus 48u and minus 32u. So 32u. So yeah. So here 256 minus 116, which is equal minus place 140. So place 140, and here minus 48u minus 32u, which is equal to minus 80u, and here 6u square minus u square, which is equal to 5u square, is equal to 0. So now divide by 5 on both sides. So now it will be 5u square, 5 minus 80u by 5 plus 140 by 5 is equal to 0. So here 5 get cancelled, u square. So here, so 5 16s are 80 and 5 28. 28 is equal to 140. So now u square 16u plus 28 is equal to 0. So u square, so here we have 16u. So 16u, we can write this 16u. So minus 14u minus 2u is equal to minus 16u. So in place of 16u minus 16u, we are going to write this term. So minus 14u minus 2u. So plus 28 is equal to 0. So now in these two terms we have common, that is u. So now here we'll get u minus 14, and in these two terms we have common, that is minus 2. So u minus, so 2 times 14, which is equal to 28, is equal to 0. So in these two terms we have common, that is u minus 14, u minus 14, u minus 2 is equal to 0. Now split these factors as two parts. One is u minus 14 equal to 0 and u minus 2 is equal to 0. So from this equation we'll get u equal to 14, and from this equation we'll get u is equal to 2. So we already considered that u is equal to xy. So now recall this. So in place of u we will write xy is equal to 14, and in place of u we will write xy is equal to 2. So we already know that x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. So we know that x minus y whole to the power of 2 is equal to x plus y whole to the power of 2 minus 4xy. So we know this. So we already know that so x plus y, so we know this value of x plus y, and we know this value of xy. So here we have two equations, right? So here we have two equations. So first we will take xy is equal to 14 and x plus y is equal to 4. So x minus y whole square is equal to, so x plus y, in place of x plus y we will write 4. So 4 square minus 4, and xy value is 14. So is equal to 4 square, which is equal to 16, minus 4 times 14, which is equal to 56. So 16 minus 56, which is equal to minus 40. So now So apply square root on both sides. So square root get cancelled. X minus y is equal to, so here square root of, so 40 we can write this 4 times 10 times minus 1. So now square root of 4, which is equal to 2, so square root of 10, and square root of, so minus 1, so 2 square root of 10 plus or minus. So here square root of minus 1, which is equal imaginary value. So this is imaginary value. Square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So in place of square root of minus 1, we will write I. So this is the value of x minus y. So now take this term. So xy is equal to x plus y is equal to 4. So now, so x plus y, 4 square minus 4, so xy value is 2. So 4 square, which is equal to 16, minus 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. So 16 minus 8, which is equal to 8. So apply square roots on both sides. So square root get cancelled. So x minus y is equal, so square root of 8, we can write 2 square root of 2. So here we got x minus y is equal to plus or minus 2 square root of 10I, and here we got x minus y is equal to plus or minus 2 square root of 2. So now we got x minus y is equal to plus or minus 2 square root of 10I, and x minus y is equal to plus or minus 2 square root of 2. So x plus y is equal to 4, and x minus y is equal to plus 2 square root of 10I, and so x plus y is equal to 4, and x minus y is equal to minus 2 square root of 10I, and here x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to plus 2 square root of 2, x plus y is equal to 4, and x minus y is equal minus 2 square root of 2. So here we have 4 equations. From these 4 equations, so we need to find the values of x and y. Okay, so now from this equation, so add these 2 equations, so then we'll get, so here, so y get cancelled, so 2x, so 2x is equal, so 4 plus 2 square root of 10I, so x is equal, so divided by 2, we will get 2 plus square root of 10I. So now subtract these 2 equations, so then we will get 2y is equal 4 minus 2 square root of 10I, and y is equal 2 minus square root of 10I. So here we got x is equal to 2 plus square root of 10I, y is equal to 2 minus square root of 10i. So from this second term, so add these two equations, so then we'll get 2x is equal to 4 minus 2 square root of 10i. So x is equal to 2 minus square root of 10i, and subtract these two equations, then we'll get 2y is equal to 4 plus 2 square root of 10i. So y is equal to 2 plus square root of 10i, and this from this equation, so x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to plus 2 square root of 2, x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to plus 2 square root of 2. So from this equation we'll get, if we add, so we'll get 2x is equal, so 2x is equal to 4 plus 2 square root of 2, and x is equal to 2 plus square root of 2. So if we subtract, we'll get 2y is equal to 4 minus 2 square root of 2, and y is equal to 2 minus square root of 2. And from these equations, if we add, we'll get 2x is equal to 4 plus 2, sorry, minus here, so minus square root of 2, x is equal to 4 2 minus square root of 2. So if we subtract, we'll get 2y is equal to 4 plus 2 square root of 2, so y is equal to 2 plus square root of 2. So these are the 4 solutions. So x is equal to 2 plus square root of 10i, y is equal to 2 minus square root of 10i. So x is equal to 2 minus square root of 10i, y is equal to 2 plus square root of 10i, x is equal to 2 plus square root of 2, y is equal to 2 minus square root of 2, x is equal to 2 minus square root of 2, y is equal to 2 plus square root of 2. So here we got 4 solutions. So these are complex solutions, and these are real solutions. These two are real solutions, and these are complex solutions. Thank you for watching.